just want Chanel, I want a new Glock. If you ain't moving right, you shouldn't move. I got hella bitches, nigga. You know I can pick and choose. I might pull up broad day and get the crackin' out the coupe. If them niggas see me first, they gon' try to do it too. Ayy, big chopper to your bitch, I'm the dick doctor. The clip poppin', then it hit a nigga fifth chopper. We got the pints going crazy, we some script boppers. Top flow, and I'm fucking on a TikTok. Bitch got 1 million followers, I told her swallow. I'm keeping eyes up on that tile, think we getting followed. You ain't getting chicken, then you niggas trippin'. If the shit was GTA, you wouldn't pass a mission.